Creating manga is now within everyone's reach. No longer is it limited by artistic skill. Artificial intelligence has opened new doors for aspiring storytellers. Powerful AI tools can help you craft your own manga or comics, even if you've never drawn before. Imagine bringing your characters and stories to life with vibrant visuals and captivating narratives. This new era of creativity is here, powered by AI. A wave of AI tools is transforming how comics are made. These tools empower you to generate stunning artwork, write compelling stories, and even assemble complete comics. Whether you dream of creating action-packed adventures or heartwarming slice-of-life stories, AI can be your creative partner. AI art generators like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion are your digital artists. Describe the image you want and these tools will generate it for you. Need a brooding hero with windswept hair? Just type it in. Want a futuristic cityscape bathed in neon light? AI can make it happen. Text-based AI tools like ChatGPT are your storytellers. They can help you brainstorm ideas, develop plots, and write dialogue. Stuck on a plot twist? Ask ChatGPT for help. Need snappy dialogue for your characters? ChatGPT can provide it. Creating an AI-generated comic is a straightforward process, but it requires a blend of creativity, technology, and a bit of patience. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step to help you bring your unique comic vision to life. First, conceptualize. Start with your story idea. Who are your characters? What is their world like? What challenges do they face? Spend time brainstorming and jotting down notes. Think about the themes you want to explore and the message you want to convey. This is the foundation of your comic, so take your time to develop a strong concept. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and refine your concept. Use these tools to generate character backstories, plot twists, and dialogue snippets. They can provide a fresh perspective and help you overcome writer's block. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and ideas until you find what resonates with you. Second, create artwork. Use AI art generators to bring your characters, settings, and scenes to life. These tools can produce a wide range of styles from realistic to cartoonish, allowing you to find the perfect look for your comic. Experiment with different prompts and art styles to achieve the look you desire. Remember, the visual aspect of your comic is just as important as the story itself. Experiment with different prompts and art styles to achieve the look you desire. Try combining elements from various styles to create something unique. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what works best for your story. Don't be afraid to push the boundaries and think outside the box. Third, write the story. Craft your narrative panel by panel using AI writing tools to help you develop dialogue and plot points. These tools can assist in maintaining consistency in your characters' voices and the overall tone of your comic. As you write, keep your audience in mind and aim to create a story that is engaging and relatable. Ensure your story flows smoothly and keeps readers engaged. Pay attention to pacing and make sure each panel contributes to the overall narrative. Use cliffhangers and suspense to keep your readers hooked. Remember, a well-told story is the heart of any great comic. Fourth, assemble the panels. Arrange your AI-generated artwork and text into comic panels using dedicated software or online tools. This step requires a good eye for design and layout. Make sure your panels are easy to read and follow. Use different panel sizes and shapes to create visual interest and guide the reader's eye through the story. Pay attention to panel layout and flow to enhance your storytelling. The arrangement of panels can greatly impact the reader's experience. Experiment with different layouts to see what works best for your story. Don't be afraid to break traditional panel structures if it serves your narrative. Finally, finalize and edit. Proofread your text carefully and review your artwork for any inconsistencies. This is your chance to polish your comic and make sure everything is perfect. Look for any spelling or grammatical errors and ensure that the artwork is consistent throughout. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure your comic is polished and ready for sharing. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure your comic is polished and ready for sharing. Once you're satisfied with the final product, consider how you want to distribute your comic. Whether it's through online platforms, print, or social media, make sure your comic reaches your intended audience. And most importantly, have fun and enjoy the creative process. Sharing your masterpiece. Selling your AI comic. Once your comic is complete, it's time to share it with the world. This is an exciting phase where your hard work and creativity get the recognition they deserve. But how do you go about selling your AI-generated comic? Let's explore the various avenues available to you. Several platforms allow you to sell your AI-generated comics. These platforms provide a marketplace where you can reach a global audience, making it easier than ever to share your work with fans and new readers alike. First, let's talk about online platforms. Platforms like Gumroad, Patreon, and Ko-Fi are popular choices for creators. These platforms allow you to sell digital copies directly to your audience, providing a straightforward way to monetize your work. On these platforms, you can set your own prices and retain control over your content. This means you can decide how much to charge for your comic, whether you want to offer it as a one-time purchase or as part of a subscription model. You also have the flexibility to offer additional perks to your supporters, such as behind-the-scenes content, exclusive artwork, or early access to new releases. This can help build a loyal fan base and increase your revenue. Next, we have print-on-demand services. Services like Lulu and Blurb enable you to print physical copies of your comic on demand. This is a great option if you want to offer your readers a tangible product without the need for upfront inventory costs. With print on demand, you can produce high-quality printed comics as orders come in. This eliminates the risk of overproduction and allows you to manage your resources more efficiently. Additionally, print-on-demand services often handle the logistics of printing, packaging, and shipping, freeing you up to focus on creating more content. This makes it easy to offer physical copies to your readers without the hassle of managing inventory. Offering physical copies can also enhance the perceived value of your comic, making it a cherished item for collectors and fans. It's a wonderful way to connect with your audience on a more personal level. Finally, let's not forget about marketplaces. Online marketplaces like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Etsy, and Webtoon provide access to a large audience of potential buyers. These platforms are well established and have a built-in customer base, which can help you reach more readers. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is a popular choice for digital comics, offering a wide reach and robust tools for self-publishing. Etsy, on the other hand, is known for its community of creative buyers and sellers, making it a great place to sell both digital and physical copies of your comic. Webtoon is another excellent platform, especially if your comic is in a Webtoon format. It has a massive audience of comic enthusiasts who are always on the lookout for new and exciting content. It's important to research each platform's guidelines and fees before choosing the best fit for your comic. Each platform has its own set of rules and fee structures, so take the time to understand them to maximize your profits and ensure a smooth selling experience. So there you have it. With these options, you can successfully share and sell your AI-generated comic to a wide audience. Whether you choose to sell digitally, offer print on demand, or list your comic on a marketplace, the possibilities are endless. With a bit of research and effort, you can turn your creative passion into a profitable venture. Happy selling! Building a fan base. Tips for success. In the competitive world of manga and comics, standing out is crucial. Whether you're an aspiring artist or a seasoned creator, these tips will help you connect with your audience and build a loyal following. Standing out in the world of comics requires more than just great art. You need to connect with readers. It's about creating a bond that goes beyond the pages of your work. Engage with your audience by sharing your creative process, hosting Quanda sessions, and being active in the community. Focus on storytelling. A compelling story is the heart of any successful comic. Your narrative should be engaging, with well-thought-out plots and subplots that keep readers coming back for more. Remember, a great story can turn casual readers into dedicated fans. Develop characters readers care about. Characters are the soul of your story. Give them depth, unique personalities, and relatable struggles. When readers connect with your characters, they become invested in their journeys and are more likely to follow your series. Craft a plot that keeps them engaged from beginning to end. A well-paced plot with unexpected twists and turns will keep your readers on the edge of their seats. Make sure each chapter leaves them wanting more, eager to see what happens next. Build a strong brand, establish a unique identity for your work. Your brand is what sets you apart from other creators. This includes your art style, the themes you explore, and even the way you interact with your audience. Consistency in branding helps in creating a recognizable and memorable presence. This could involve a distinctive art style, a specific genre focus, or a unique storytelling approach. Experiment with different styles and themes until you find what resonates most with your audience. A consistent theme in your stories can also help in building a strong brand. Whether it's fantasy, sci-fi, romance, or horror, Sticking to a genre can attract a dedicated fan base who are passionate about that particular theme. Social media marketing use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to showcase your work. These platforms are powerful tools for reaching a wider audience. Share behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks of upcoming releases, and interact with your followers regularly. Engage with potential readers by responding to comments, participating in discussions, and even collaborating with other artists. Building a strong online presence can significantly boost your visibility and help you connect with fans from all over the world. Build a community around your comics, encourage fan art, host contests, and create spaces where your readers can interact with each other. A strong, engaged community can turn your readers into advocates who will help spread the word about your work. AI's role in comic creation is only just beginning. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated tools that empower creators with greater control and flexibility. Imagine AI tools that can generate entire pages of a comic based on a simple script, or tools that allow for real-time collaboration between artists and writers. While AI offers incredible creative opportunities, it's crucial to be mindful of the legal and ethical implications. Always disclose the use of AI in your work, respect copyright laws when using AI-generated content, and engage in open and honest discussions about the role of AI in art. The future awaits. Start creating today. AI has democratized the art of comic creation, making it easier than ever to share your stories with the world. Don't let a lack of artistic experience hold you back. Embrace the power of AI, unleash your creativity, and start crafting the comics you've always dreamed of making. The future of comics is here, and it's waiting for your story.